Hey everybody, I'm a good grader and I like to grade things. This is the word equals palette challenge. The word defines the colors I use and what the colors are. I have decided to add a little fun twist. I will finish a work in 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and an hour. This week's word is fruit. The color palette I came up with is French raspberry, up forest green, Indian red, and Tickle me pink. Let's begin. 5 minutes is not a lot of time, but I can make do. I knew exactly what I wanted to make, a fruit bowl. I start by creating a pedestal for the bowl of fruit. Took a total minute to make. I add the fruits to the bowl. The bowl contains of an apple, banana, and orange. I did my best at trying to make each fruit have their own individual color with my limited palette. 5 minutes has ended. I like how the 5 minutes looks like it was done under 5 minutes. It's time for the 30 minutes. The canvas size is the same, 64 by 36. The object I'm drawing is the same, a bowl of fruit. Instead of drawing a pedestal, I draw a table. On top of this table will be a bowl of fruit. The bowl of fruit contains 2 apples, 2 cherries, 1 pear, and a banana. I choose a different color for the background, and as a result, I gain another color for the fruits. The pear and the banana use this color. I also put extreme detail for both the bowl and tables when shading them. 30 minutes has ended. I like how the work turned out. All of it looks consistent from the table to the bowl of fruit. When I look at this work, it gives me a jazz feeling. Time to do the 1 hour work. The canvas size is set at 128/72, double the previous work. For this work will still be a bowl of fruit, but much more details. For the background, I start to draw out a room and then add the bowl. Once I was finished with the bowl, I started to silhouette the fruits. What I silhouette was a grape, apples, cherries, pineapple, banana, and a pear. Once finished the silhouette, I started to add the details like shadows and light to the fruits. I finished the fruits, but I still have time to spend. With my extra time, I start to detail the background by making a floorboard look. I also created a shadow silhouette for the bowl of the fruit. The hour is up. This work was really fun and I like how it turned out. I tried a bigger canvas and I got a little bit out of my comfort zone when doing this pixel art. The only bad thing I want to say about my work is that the pineapple looks a little flat. Other than that, this was really fun to see the difference between 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and an hour of work. Yes, there was a common theme of me being satisfied with my work before the time was up. I wonder what that says about me. Do you have an answer? Goodbye and have a great day.